How to show songs that you're listening to Spotify on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will show you how you can find out the songs that you're listening to Spotify on Discord and how you can show them on your Discord activity. So make sure to simply watch this video till the end. First of all, what you have to do is you have to open Discord and then connect your Spotify account to Discord. So open Discord and then you want to come to this little smiley face icon here, and then once you come to your profile settings, you'll find the option called Connections. Go to Connections. Here, if you've not already added Spotify, just tap on the add option, and once you tap on the add option, just select Spotify and then make sure to sign into your Spotify account over here. It'll ask you for all of the access, and once you sign in, connected, your Spotify account to Discord has been successfully complete. Now don't worry, we're still not done yet. What we still need to do is, if these toggles are not turned on, you have to turn on the option called Display on Profile and display Spotify as your status. Make sure to turn this both on. But still, we're still not done yet. On Spotify, there is also a simple setting that you need to enable. So go ahead and open Spotify, log into the exact account that was connected on your Discord app as well, and then just tap on the gear icon from the top right. Once you tap on the gear icon, scroll down to the bottom, and then here you'll find the option called Device Broadcast Status, right? So you want to just turn this on. If this is turned off, it will not allow other apps on your device to see what you're listening to. Now what I will do is I will go ahead and play a specific song here on Spotify, so you can see Only My Heart Knows. Now then, I'm going to come to Discord, then I'm going to come back, I'm going to select any of the servers, I'm going to select my activities here, so let me also just show you, and then here you'll be able to see this person is listening to Spotify. This is basically my profile, and then here you'll be able to see the song that I'm listening to. Now if you don't believe me, you can see the exact same song, and then if I change the song over here, right, it says Falling in Love, and now it will also be changed on the Discord application respectively. Now if it doesn't work in yours, try to do all of the things that I did over here. Try to refresh it a couple of times as well, and that's all it takes to show what songs you're listening to Spotify on Discord. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.